Which bathing loofah is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Ronoff Mousse Shower Loofah. The Ronoff Mousse Shower Loofah. This set of 4 colorful mesh showerproofs caught my eye with its vibrant colors and super affordable price of just $5.39. If you want a fun and effective way to enhance your shower experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These loofahs are vacuum sealed, ensuring they stay clean until you're ready to use them. Their soft material produces a rich foam, helping to cleanse dirt, sweat, and oil from your skin with ease. The size is also well thought out at about 4.5 inches, making them suitable for most adults and kids. Plus, the long hanging rope makes storage easy, so you won't have to worry about them taking up space in your shower. Now, some people complain that these loofahs can lose their shape after a few uses. Here's the thing though, they do bounce back after a wash or two, and for the price, it's not a deal breaker. They're still great for a budget-friendly option. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a colorful, fun addition to your shower routine. Skip this one if you prefer a firmer scrub, as these are softer on the skin. For the price, you really can't go wrong. Now, if the softness of the Ronoff Loofah bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Whale Life Loofah Bath Sponges. We have the Whale Life Loofah Bath Sponges, a sleek and modern option priced at $9.99. What really caught my attention was their minimalistic design. No more ugly stained colors hanging in your shower. If you want a stylish yet functional loofah, this one deserves a look. These loofahs are designed to create a cloud-like lather with just a small amount of body wash. The mesh material gently exfoliates your skin, making it suitable for all skin types, even sensitive ones. Plus, with a reinforced core, these sponges won't fall apart on you after a few scrubs, which is a common complaint with cheaper loofahs. They also rinse clean in a flash, which is a must for maintaining hygiene. Now, I did notice some users mentioned they weren't as fluffy as they expected, but honestly, for those who prefer a gentle scrub rather than an abrasive one, this may work perfectly for you. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and easy-to-maintain loofah that works well for sensitive skin. Skip this one if you love a really aggressive exfoliation, since these are on the gentler side. For the quality, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers. Product number 3, Foo Store Loofah Sponge. Let's check out the Foo Store Loofah Sponge, priced at $5.98. What stood out to me here is the value you get with 4 sponges in the pack. If you want a reliable and affordable option for the whole family, this is worth considering. These loofahs are super soft and create a luxurious foam when combined with your favorite soap or shower gel. Their tightly gathered netting means they won't unravel easily, which is a big plus if you want them to last. Plus, the vacuum packing ensures they arrive clean and ready to use. At 4.5 inches, they're a comfortable size for gripping and scrubbing. However, some users mentioned that they found these sponges to be a bit flimsy over time. Here's the thing though, as long as you don't use them aggressively, they should hold up just fine for regular use, especially given the price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a cost-effective option that works well for everyone in the family. Skip this one if you want something that feels extremely durable, as they are gentler. For the price, it's hard to complain. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more unique in terms of design, the next product might interest you. Product number 4, Amazon Basics Exfoliating Loofah Brush. What caught my eye was the unique brush design combined with a loofah, making it easier to reach those tricky spots on your back. If you want a loofah that doubles as a body scrubber, this one is worth checking out. The loofah brush has a natural wood handle, which is not only sturdy but also feels nice in your hand. It's great for removing dirt and dead skin, leaving your skin feeling smoother. The rubber grip helps prevent slipping, and you can easily create a rich lather with just a little soap. Plus, it's particularly handy for those who have difficulty twisting or reaching certain areas, like pregnant women or the elderly. However, I did find that some users were concerned about the weight of the handle, feeling it was a bit heavy. But honestly, for those who prefer a solid grip while scrubbing, this can actually enhance the experience. This is perfect for you if you need something that can reach your back easily and want a thorough clean. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional loofah feel. For the price, it's a great deal. Now, if you want something with a bit more size and density, let's move on to our next option. Product number 5, Chuya Bath Sponges. We have the Chuya bath sponges, priced at $5.98. These loofahs are a bit larger at 70 grams, which caught my eye if you're looking for something that feels more substantial. If you want a loofah that offers a luxurious experience, this is definitely worth a look. These large loofahs are designed to create a lot of bubbles quickly, which means you get a rich lather every time you shower. The dense mesh structure helps in cleaning dust and dead skin effectively, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. They come with a ribbon lanyard for easy hanging and drying, which is practical for keeping your bathroom tidy. However, I did notice some reviews mention that the size might be cumbersome for some users, but honestly, if you're looking for a loofah that feels luxurious and offers great coverage, this is not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a plush loofah that provides a satisfying scrubbing experience. Skip this one if you prefer a smaller, more manageable size. For the price, you're getting a lot of value here. We've got the vibrant Ron-Off Moo loofahs for fun and budget-friendly options, Whale Life for a stylish touch, Foo Store for family affordability, Amazon Basics for those hard-to-reach spots, and Chuya for a luxurious feel. Each has its own strengths, so think about what fits your shower routine best.